Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will share with you unboxing and first look of a Schrade knife, which is unfortunately, as far as I could see, discontinued, and I was looking at this one for a long time and finally got my hands one of these. One of my local dealer here got them in stock. I don't know how or how it is possible, since this model is from 2013 as far as my investigation is correct. And yeah, basically you can still find them maybe on eBay or so on if you look, but I don't know what happened, why they discontinued it, but finally got one for my Tanto series and would like to talk about it. So this is the Schrade SH102. I have to say that there is also a partially serrated version, but only in this configuration, so Tanto, bead blasted finish, and G10. So now let's talk about the specifications really quickly. So we have an overlength of 19.6 centimeter, that is 7.7 inches, so almost 8 inches, which is in my opinion the sweet spot for a nice EDC. Anyway, the blade length is 8.1 centimeters or 3.2 inches. Blade width is 2.8 centimeters or 1.1 inch. Thickness is 2.5 millimeters or 0.1 inches. Hand length 11.4 centimeters or 4.5 inches, with a thickness of 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches, that is without the pocket clip. On the blade, like Schrade saying, we have premium material, so we have premium 9CR14 MOE, with a little bit of blade play. Tanto finish, so Tanto profile with a bead blasted finish. So everything what I would not recommend doing on a EDC knife, as far as blade finishing goes, of course. On the handle we have coarse black G10, which is really nice to see at this price point. And we have full stainless steel liners with 2 backspacers and a liner lock. As far as pivot assembly goes, we have 2 Phosfor washers. The knife is really nice and smooth. So the blade play, yeah, it's a little bit there. I have not tightened down the pivot screw, anything. I did not mess with the knife. This is how it came out of the box. Probably did sit in some warehouse for a long time. So on the blade we have stamped, or yeah, this looks like it's stamped because it's really deep inside the blade, the model number, and then we have 2 milled out portions here, thumb studs for opening. Overall, this has a really nice Americanized Tanto with a flat grounded blade. So let's see the sharpness out of the box. Yeah, this is really nice and sharp, no problems there. Have a engraved Schrade logo, and this is a really nice coarse textured micarta, something similar to a cold steel or even Emerson. We have a lanyard slot here, which is basically the liners are protruding out of the G10 liners. And we have, unfortunately, only one position tip down configuration pocket clip, which is really soft, so there should be no problem to get it inside the pockets, even with the coarse texture. And here it is how it will look inside your pocket. So almost deep carry, or almost completely deep carry. Now I'm a little bit hesitant, but let's do also try the lock if it holds up. Okay, no problems there. Still a little bit wiggle. I feel only side to side, not up and down, so that is good. This might be we can let me bring out my screwdriver and try to fix it. Yeah, the pivot screw was loose. Now there is no blade play whatsoever, so good to know. Okay, so let's continue. As far as weight goes, we have 138 grams or 4.9 ounces, so under 5 ounces. Good to know about that. As far as ergonomics goes, this is one of those designs that either will be good for your hand or it will poke around. So if you have an XL size hand like I have, definitely this portion here does poke me in the middle of the finger, because yeah. Let's see the reverse look or reverse grip. A little bit better, but unfortunately if this was a half of an inch larger, then it will be good enough, but as it is, this is definitely not one of my preferred handle configurations. I forgot to mention that the protruding liners could definitely potentially function as a glass breaker or impact device. Now, like I mentioned, as far as variants go, we have only this blade finish, blade configuration, and the second one will be all completely same with the serrations or partial serrated blade. Okay, now let's see a few size comparisons. So let's bring out the Legend, the CQC7 from Emerson Knives. The Utilitech 2, the Camille's Tanto folder, Recon 1 from Cold Steel, Benchmade bailout, this is the funny part here, that some design features are do look a little bit similar, with the protruding linear slit. Really interesting to see. Now let's continue with the CVV Elementum, QSP Penguin, small grip Reptilian from Benchmade, Bucksprint Pro. Here's the Benchmade bug out. Let's see, Spyderco Delica, Kaiser Big Lighter 2, $940 from Benchmade, Kershaw Blur, Red Model 2, Red Model 1. Let's see the Rough Rider Peanut. CJRB Pyrite Alt. Knife Center exclusive. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So overall, I must say this is a really nice Tanto configuration. Probably not my favorite execution of the handle here. Maybe if they would keep it completely straight, it will be much better for large hands. But still, since this should function as a tactical EDC, you will probably not use it at so much, so that if for some reason you need to have a penetration capabilities, then these would suffice. Anyway, as far as pricing goes, when these were around, the price was around $14 US, so definitely inexpensive. You are definitely getting good materials for that price point. Here in Europe, I got it for around 19 euros, so definitely also under 20 euros. That is a good bargain price for such a nice design knife. Anyway, if you need one, I would strongly suggest check out your favorite retailer. Maybe they will have some on stock or old stock, or check out eBay. Maybe you will get lucky and get one there. So this was the Schrade SCH 102 tactical folding knife. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. Do not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.